In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links in Squarespace. If you've ever clicked on a link on your website and encountered an error page, you're certainly not alone. Broken links can be a common frustration for website owners and visitors alike, but luckily they're pretty straightforward to fix in Squarespace. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First things first, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. Once you've logged in, this is where you'll begin your journey to repair any pesky broken links. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it's essentially the command center for managing your entire site. From here, you can access various settings and tools that Squarespace offers. Next, you'll want to click on the Settings option. This area is pivotal because it provides access to a wide range of customizable features and tools, which help tailor your site to suit your specific needs. The Settings panel is where you can manage everything from basic site information to more advanced options that we're delving into today. After entering the settings, locate and select Developer Tools. Now don't worry if you're not a developer. This section is incredibly user-friendly. It's designed to give you access to a host of different tools and settings that allow you to configure different aspects of your site in a more detailed manner. Opening up this section is like unlocking an even deeper level of site customization. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter. Click on URL mappings. This is a crucial step because it allows you to create redirects from the broken links to the correct URLs. Essentially, you'll be telling your website, hey, if someone tries to visit this old broken link, show them this new correct page instead. It's an efficient fix and prevents site visitors from being met with a disappointing error page. At this point, you will want to type in your URL code. This part is straightforward yet important. Here, you're establishing the connection between the broken URL and its new destination. Essentially, you're acting like a navigator, guiding visitors smoothly along their intended path. Take your time to ensure you enter the correct information, as accuracy is key. Finally, click on Save. This action finalizes and implements the changes you've made. It's like putting the seal on an envelope. You want to ensure everything inside is ready and set to be sent out. Now, any visitor who stumbles across the broken link in the future will seamlessly be redirected to the correct page. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to fix broken links in Squarespace. With these changes in place, your site visitors can enjoy a better experience, leading them to the proper content without issue. Remember, maintaining a well-oiled website is about ensuring every detail is in its right place, and tackling broken links is a wonderful step in achieving just that.